Learn English with Word In. Sentence 1.
You have done this on purpose.
You have done this on purpose. Sentence 2.
Drop the maid off at home.
Drop the maid off at home. Sentence 3.
Azan is being recited.
Azan is being recited. Sentence 4.
So I would be happy?
So I would be happy.